Well, let me give you a background story about Sejal Entertainment. Sejal Entertainment organization has been working for last 12 years in various social activities. Past 3 years, we have been organizing short film festival named as Rangakarmi International Short Film Festival. We have received responses from all over the world. Our goal is to develop and encourage upcoming artists in this industry and also to create a grand forum for exploring new talents. Our vision is to showcase talent on a grand level and to be a source to lead the artist towards the road of his or her success. And soon we admire to be the best organization in the world of film industry, which will keep the artist alive on stage. This year we have successfully conducted the third Rangakarmi International Short Film Festival 2020, and the Rangakarmi International Short Film Festival provides a forum for talents through films. It is also a source, rather a step towards your dream. We spoke about Sejal Entertainment. Now let me tell you about the man behind Sejal Entertainment. He is none other than Mr. Prakash Shankaram Pawar. Mr. Prakash Pawar is a young writer and director from Mumbai. He started his career as a writer and director in 1999. My God, मैं शायद पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी. Since then, he has worked in many plays and theatre. He wrote and directed 20 plays, 3 dramas, 16 short films, and 1 Marathi film named Atak Matak. His passion is to create short film is never ending. He won so many awards for his writing and direction. Few of his works are running on YouTube. He strongly believes that filmmaking is like entering a dark tunnel with a small torch. Whether you are making your first film or any other, the path is mostly dark. Being a director, you proceed with the help of your vision and team, support and bring dreams to reality. Now let's talk about the films that we had this year. So we had 4 categories: short film, documentary, animation, lockdown, short films. The total number of short films that we had in the third Rangakarmi International Short Film was 226, which is a great number. Congratulations to Sejal Entertainment. Let me tell you the countries that we were able to reach to, and that is India, United States, United Kingdoms, Russia, Iran, France, Brazil, Australia, Spain, Japan, China, Denmark, Germany, Nigeria, Pakistan, Malaysia, Egypt, Ecuador, Ghana, Israel, Mexico, Italy, Korea, Macedonia, New Zealand, Puerto Rico, Sri Lanka, Syria, Thailand, Turkey, Ukraine, Finland. Baapre, I'm so tired reading these names. But we had an amazing tour of the world watching these 226 films. Now we had so many films at the film festival. Now let's talk about the jury that we had who helped us to select the best film. Now let me introduce you to our first jury, Mr. Kumar Gautam. He is a journalism graduate from University of Delhi and a diploma holder in photography. He has been a thespian since childhood and has been acting, writing and directing theatre. After a stint as journalist, radio jockey and documentary filmmaker in Delhi, he moved to Mumbai to pursue his dreams as writer and director for television and films. कहते हैं ना, मुंबई सपनों की नगरी है. He has been associated with more than 30 television shows in capacity of a writer, creator, director and a lyricist. Some of his popular works are पिया का घर, कसम से, सरकार, कैसा ये प्यार है, मिली, रावण, लाडली, मानो या ना मानो, कुमकुम, हनुमान, माती की बन्नो, India's best ड्रामेबाज, सावधान इंडिया and so much more. He has been a speaker, conducted workshops, judged events in various film institutes, IIT, NIFT and film festivals. He is in process of directing his first feature film. At leisure, he writes and performs poetry in Hindi and English. Now it's time to introduce our second jury. He's none other than Mr. Ravi Kant. He's here with us today. We are glad to have you, sir. Let me tell you about him. He has done his BSc and 2 years of diploma from Bharatendu Natya Academy. I'm very sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. From Lucknow. He has done a lot of feature films in different languages, that is English, Hindi, Bhojpuri and so many more. My God. He did ad films like Friendly Wash Detergent Powder, Electronic Voting Machine, PMGSY, Corporate Film for Election Commission of India. His television works were on Doordarshan, Star TV, Zee TV, Sony TV, और कोई TV बचा है sir? And there were so many films and advertisement and television work that he's done. He directed in Hindi theatre from last 20 years. He directed many national and international plays, The Bear, The Zoo Story, Andher Nagari, Pehla Raja. He participated in many plays like Romeo Juliet, Three Penny Opera, Carrie Orchard, etc. He was awarded for a story, Aage Rasta Band Hai, by Hindustan Times Group. Sir, I request you to please come on stage. Sir, I request you to please say a few words.
थैंक यू प्रकाश जी, ये मौका देने के लिए। क्योंकि अलग अलग देशों की फिल्में थी और ढेर सारी फिल्में थी, तो इन फिल्मों से गुजरते हुए अलग अलग समाज से परिचय होना भी था मेरे लिए। हर सिनेमा मेरे लिए वो समाज की तरह मेरे सामने आया है, चाहे वो भारत की फिल्में हो या बाहर की फिल्में। भारत में भी अलग अलग राज्य की फिल्में थी, अलग अलग भाषा की फिल्में थी और दुनिया की तो फिल्में थी। तो कोई भी सिनेमा मेरे सामने जो भी आया, जो भी शॉर्ट फिल्में आई, सब अपने आप में मेरा मूल ध्यान ये था, क्योंकि शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाना एक बड़ा कठिन काम है, क्योंकि कॉमर्शियल तो होता नहीं, इसका उतना कॉमर्शियल आउटपुट भी नहीं होता। वो फिल्म अगर कितना पैशन के साथ जुड़ा होता है, एक सिनेमा बना रहा होता है। बहुत सारी फिल्मों के साथ ये समस्या थी कि उन्होंने विषय तो अच्छा चुना था, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूट ढंग से नहीं। बहुत सारी फिल्मों ने बनाया तो बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन विषय ही बहुत कमजोर था। तो कठिन था चुनना कि किसको रखा जाए और किसको छोड़ा जाए। शॉर्ट फिल्म में तो तब भी ठीक था, सबसे कठिन चयन था डॉक्यूमेंट्री। डॉक्यूमेंट्री की जितनी एंट्री थी सब अच्छी थी, उसमें सबसे अच्छी चुनना सबसे कठिन काम था। तो हमने कोशिश की है कि एक ईमानदार जजमेंट हो सके। कुमार जी नहीं है, पर कुमार जी का भी बड़ा सहयोग है, प्रकाश जी का सहयोग है, और हमने कोशिश की है कि एक ऑनेस्ट जजमेंट दे पाए, फिल्मों के साथ न्याय दे पाए। थैंक यू।
सर, यू विल स्टैंड हियर अभी अवार्ड से। तो आप लोग बहुत देर रुके हैं, थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ इज द टाइम व्हेन वी एक्चुअली अनाउंस द अवार्ड्स। सो लेट्स मूव अहेड। द इंडिविजुअल अवार्ड्स, द बेस्ट चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट Divraj Doi Khode for film Kurudai from India. Congratulations. The next award for Best Actress, named Shiva Chauhan for the film Mathari from India. Next, the Best Actor Award Georgy Festivo for the film Captain from Russia. Best Music Award, Rodrigo for the film Augusta and Antonica from Brazil. Best Editor, Mr. Vignesh Kumar for the short film Hitler's Last Memories from India. Best Screenplay, named Mr. Deepak for the short film Manasana Maha from India. For the best cinematographer, Mr. Hamid Bhagen for the short film The Other from the country Iran. Best Director Award, Mr. Sumit Patil for the short film Lal from India. Congratulations, Mr. Sumit Patil. I request you to say a few words.
थँक्स अ लॉट. माझे विषय थोडे वेगळे असतात. सगळे मराठी आहे तिकडे, नाहीतर मग मी हां. तर बेसिकली थोडेसे वेगळे विषयांकडे मी जास्त लक्ष देतो की जे समाजाचा एक भाग आहे आणि आपण त्याला कुठेतरी निग्लेक्टेड केलेलं आहे. आणि अशाच विषयांमध्ये मी अनेक वर्षांपासून काम करतोय आणि जे एक्सपिरियन्स येत आहेत ते मी शॉर्ट फिल्ममधनं मांडतोय, कारण माझ्याकडे लिहिलेलं भरपूर होतं, व्हिज्युअल्समध्ये आणायचं होतं. तर म्हणून अशी सुरुवात झाली. मला असं आठवतंय की पहिल्या वर्षी तरंग नावाची माझी शॉर्ट फिल्म होती, इकडे बेस्ट फिल्म होती ती त्या वर्षी, आणि आता हे 3रं वर्ष आहे. खरं लॉकडाऊनमुळे मधले 8 महिने काहीच करता नाही. माझं शूट झालं होतं जानेवारी-फेब्रुवारीमध्ये, आणि मग मध्ये सगळे महिने मी पण लॉकडाऊन दुसरीकडे झालो. त्यामुळे मग तिकडून आल्यानंतर हे सगळं केलं गणपतीच्या दरम्यान आणि फिल्म पाठवली. आणि हा माझा पहिलाच फेस्टिवल आहे जिकडे मी फिल्म पाठवली, आणि हा माझा पहिलाच डिरेक्टर म्हणून अवॉर्ड आहे. सो आय एम व्हेरी व्हेरी थँकफुल फॉर सेलिब्रेट एंटरटेनमेंट. आणि सगळी टीम खूप छान काम करते. आणि थँक्स अ लॉट ज्युरी की त्यांना डिरेक्टर म्हणून ही आवडली. थँक्यू, थँक्स अ लॉट.
मोस्ट वेलकम. आपके अगले फिल्म में हमें याद करना. बेस्ट राइटर अवार्ड, मिस्टर विजय माली फॉर द शॉर्ट फिल्म भाकर फ्रॉम इंडिया. Now let's move on towards the documentary films. The documentary category. The second best documentary was Charter to Review an Old World by India. The first best documentary film goes to Letter to My Mother from Iran. We got animation movies. I request Mr. Prakash Pawar to please come on stage with the awards. The second best animation movie was Radha, the Eternal Melody by India. Best animation film goes to Gone, the Little Fox from Japan. film of lockdown was Love Can't Be Locked Down by United States. The first best lockdown short film was Adventure Brother from United Kingdom. Now the short film category. The third best short film goes to Virar. The second best short film award goes to Sticker from Macedonia. The first award goes to Henneth Ward from Egypt. Our last award, the best jury choice short film, named Kukli from India. I request Mr. Pawar to please say a few words.
या फेस्टिवल दरम्यान काही लोकांना पारितोषिके दिली गेली आहेत, काही लोकांना नाही मिळाली, पण असं नाही आहे तीच होती. मग ज्युरीला तर प्रश्न पडला होता की याच्यातली कोणती पुढे न्यायची, कोणती नाही न्यायची. मग म्हणजे बरंचसं त्या दोघांमध्ये नंतर मग आम्ही म्हणजे संस्थेने देखील त्याच्यामध्ये हे केलं आणि मग ज्या टॉप होत्या त्या सगळ्या तिघांच्या डिस्कस करून आम्ही त्या पुढे दिल्या. तर ज्यांना प्राईज नाही मिळालं त्याने काही नाराज होऊ नका, त्या देखील बेस्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म होत्या आणि ज्यांना मिळाल्या त्याही बेस्ट होत्या. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. Just for our audience, he said that all the films were amazing, and the ones who could not win an award, it's fine. You were still the best, and we're looking forward for your next year's film. Now let's move ahead for the Thanksgiving. I thank our jury. Thank you so much. I thank our audience for being so proactive and being there with me through it all. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for that. I thank our audience who's watching us online. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you for all the participants. Your films were amazing. We had, just as I said, we had an amazing world tour through your films. Last but not the least, I want to thank our organizing and supporting team. A special thanks to Mr. Nilesh Bhati, Mahendra Bhandare, Rushal Gudekar, Chetan Padore, Yogesh Pawar, Chorge sir, Sandeep Kamble, Ankita Dhokle, and our last and the pillar of this Sejal Entertainment, Mr. Prakash Pawar. Thank you so much for coming, and we will see you next time. Thank you.